First Words with Peppa Pig. Level 3. The Scarecrow. Meet Peppa, George, Granny Pig and Grandpa Pig. Learn. Every, fly, has, him, his, live, off, put, some, them, when. Read. Shed, face, scarecrow.
Wow!
Grandpa Pig is in his garden with Peppa and George. We can plant some seeds in the soil, says Grandpa Pig. Peppa and George put every seed in the soil. Every seed will turn into a plant, says Grandpa Pig.
Wow!
Some birds live in Grandpa Pig's garden.
What a lot of birds,
says Peppa.
When you plant some seeds, the birds will fly down and eat some of them.
Some of them, said Grandpa Pig. The birds eat my seeds every time I put them in the soil. Fly away! The birds did not fly away. We need a plan to stop them. Grandpa Pig went to his shed. Peppa and George went with him.
Grandpa Pig has a plan,
said Granny Pig. I will stop them. When the birds see my plan, they will not want to live in my garden. Every bird will fly away when they see it, said Grandpa Pig. Peppa had 2 sticks and George had some cloth. They ran out of Grandpa Pig's shed and went back to his garden. Grandpa Pig put the sticks into a cross. He put the cloth on top.
Wow!
Will this make the birds fly away? Said Peppa. Yes, every bird will fly away when they see him, said Grandpa Pig.
Grandpa Pig has a scarecrow,
said Peppa. Peppa and George put a face on him.
He has a pretty face,
said Peppa.
Wow!
The birds will fly away when they see him, said Grandpa Pig. The birds did not fly away. I think they like him, said Grandpa Pig.
Granny has a plan too,
said Peppa.
The birds can eat some of the seeds I have put in the tree,
said Granny Pig. Granny Pig's plan has worked.
Hooray!
The birds ate the seeds Granny Pig had put in the tree. They did not eat Grandpa Pig's seeds.
Now all of the birds in the scarecrow can live in the garden,
said Peppa.
Hooray!
The end. First Words with Peppa Pig. Level 5. The Thunderstorm. Meet Peppa, George, Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig. Learn about fall, far, fool, got, laugh, light, never, only. Read. Thunderstorm, sky, rain, water, teddy, shoes, tickle, laugh. Peppa and George were having tea in the garden. The sky was light blue and the sun was hot. "Peppa, George, come in now. The sky is full of clouds. There is about to be a thunderstorm," said Mummy Pig. Peppa and George ran into the house.
"My arms were full, so I forgot about Teddy,"
said Peppa. "I will get Teddy. The sky is full of clouds, but it is not far to go," said Daddy Pig. "Do not get wet. The rain will fall soon," said Mummy Pig. "I never get wet," said Daddy Pig. The sky was not light blue for long. Soon it was dark, and the rain began to fall. Daddy Pig got wet, but he got Teddy too. "It is far too wet to be out there. My shoes are full of water," said Daddy Pig. "Here is Teddy. He got a bit wet," said Daddy Pig.
"Oh, Teddy, it was far too wet in the rain,"
said Peppa. "It's only a bit of water," said Mummy Pig. They got a cloth and soon Teddy was not wet. "What about me?" said Daddy Pig. "I am far too wet. My shoes are full of water."
"You said you never get wet,"
said Mummy Pig. Daddy Pig began to laugh. "What are you laughing about?" asked Mummy Pig. "Stop, it tickles," he said.
"You can laugh, but we will not stop,"
said Peppa. Just then there was a flash of light in the sky.
"What was that light?"
asked Peppa. "It was only the thunderstorm," said Mummy Pig. "It was only the thunderstorm," said Mummy Pig. "Soon it will go far away, and there will be only light blue sky left." "The sky may be full of clouds and the rain may be falling out there, but we will never get wet in here," said Daddy Pig. A drop of water began to fall from the roof. Mummy Pig began to laugh. "You said it will never get wet in here, Daddy." Daddy Pig laughed. "I was wrong." Daddy Pig got a bucket for the drop of water.
"When will the sky be light blue again?"
asked Peppa. "Soon. Thunderstorms never last long," said Mummy Pig. Soon the thunderstorm was far away. The sun was back, and the sky was light blue again. Best of all, the thunderstorm had left the garden full of mud. Peppa laughed and jumped about in a big spot of mud.
"This is the only bit about thunderstorms I like,"
said Peppa. Peppa, George, Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig all began to laugh. What fun! The end.
Hi kids, did you have fun watching this video? Then like and subscribe for more.